So this sand about 3 months ago was just barren. It was impossible to grow anything. And then we put organic matter in the soil, and we've been putting this grass clippings as mulch on top of it. So let's see when we dig what's the difference in the soil now. Look at that. Look, earthworms. Earthworms. Earthworm there. Earthworm. Ooh, look at that. Several. One big one there. Look at this. We've got fungus growing, which is extremely good for breaking down woody material. You can see it's moist still. It's moist. And it hasn't rained in about a week. Look, worms. And this soil had nothing before. You couldn't even grow grass. And now we're growing all this kind of produce, tomatoes. Look at these tomatoes over here. Spring onion over here. And this is what you can do all over South Africa and Africa, is you just repair soil with organic matter. It's not too difficult, but you just need to understand how to do it.